Basics, 2. Must know things to get started. Chart types. Traders use various methods to trade. It all depends on what one is comfortable with. The method is not important, as long as it works and brings money in the bank. The different methods that traders use for trading are: charts, calculations or use of quants, options analysis, or just based on intuition or gut feeling. Analyzing with charts. How it helps to analyze with charts. Charts provide a visual representation of data. They helps in easy interpretation of market data, and hence, market movement. Charts aids in quick decision making through data analysis. Charts helps a trader see what the market is doing, rather than predicting. Charts helps in making comparisons, identify patterns, and recognize trends. Listed below are the different types of charts used by traders. No chart is better than the other. It depends on the comfort level of the trader which chart he/she wants to use for analysis. Line charts, area charts, bar chart, candlestick chart, which is the most popular, Heikin-Ashi chart, Renko chart, point and figure chart, and the list goes on. Chart setup. Chart are what a trader has to continuously look at. So, it is important that the layout and representations is easy to interpret for the trader. There are various parameters to be set in a layout. These are mentioned here. It may look simple, but it is of utmost importance to set up your chart once. As the trading experience grows, a trader becomes comfortable with his layout. The layout parameter to be considered are: deciding on the type of chart, line, candlestick, bar, etc. Deciding the background color. Some traders prefer a dark background, while others prefer white. Up and down price color. Usually it is red for down and green for up. Other colors in the chart, such as for axes, crosshair, drawing. Zoom in zoom out level of the chart. Preferred scale and time frame of the chart. Horizontal and vertical lines. Text displays on the chart such as symbol name, date and time, etc. Trading styles. A trader buys or sells trading instruments to take advantage of change in price. Traders are not concerned about inherent value of the trading instrument. Trades can be classified as per the time a trader holds the trade. The different styles of trading are: scalping. Scalping is when holding period of a trade is few minutes. Generally traded in large volumes for small percentage profit. Intraday. In intraday, holding period of trade less than 1 day. Trade is taken and squared off same day. Positional. In positional trading, holding period of a trade is more than 1 day up to a month. Swing. In swing trading, holding period of a trade can be from few days to few months. Depends on the time frame. Either buy or sell trade is always open. Trading methods. There are two main type of trading methods, discretionary and automated or rule-based trading. The comparison of these two methods is given below. Discretionary trading. Traders analyze the market, form their bias and make a buy or sell decision. Automated trading. Traders form rules to buy or sell. No analysis is required. Discretionary trading. Traders' bias and emotions are involved as everyone analyzes in his own way. Automated trading. No emotions are involved. Traders simply follow buy/sell given by the system. Discretionary trading. Trader can improve with experience. Automated trading. System stays at same level. Discretionary trading. Trader can change style to trade in different type of markets. Automated trading. Trading systems are optimized for a particular type of market and particular time frame. Discretionary trading. Trader can learn continuously and follow his studies. Automated trading. System is difficult to follow in counter market conditions as most trades flop. Why trading systems do not work? Think logically. If there was a trading system that actually worked in all market conditions, anyone would just deploy a robot to trade on it and become a billionaire. Is it possible? Markets will always have a human element within them, as humans are behind the trades. Hence, you cannot take out the biases and emotions from trading. Recipes are known to everyone. It is the chef who makes the difference in the dish. Thank you.